Word cry wolf. Definitions: to raise a false alarm or to give a warning about a danger that turns out to be untrue. Meanings: the phrase originates from the fable in which a boy falsely cries that a wolf is attacking his flock of sheep, leading people to distrust him when a real wolf appears. Example 1. After several false reports, the community started to ignore his cries. He had been crying wolf for too long. Example 2. Teachers often warn students not to cry wolf, as it can have serious consequences in emergencies. Master new words daily. Subscribe now and support us with a coffee. Link below.